Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw your XRP from Robinhood to your Phantom Wallet. This step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free, so you can manage your assets like a pro. Why does this matter? With XRP's growing popularity and the ever-changing crypto landscape, knowing how to move your funds securely is key to building your portfolio. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. Make sure you have a Robinhood account with XRP in it and a Phantom Wallet already set up and funded. Also, double-check that your Phantom Wallet is connected to the correct blockchain. XRP uses the XRP ledger, so that's essential. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account on the app or website. Head over to the Crypto section and find your XRP holdings. Once you're there, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually right next to your balance. Step 2. Select XRP as the asset you want to withdraw. Robinhood will prompt you to enter the destination wallet address. This is where your Phantom Wallet comes in. Open your Phantom app, go to the Wallet section, and copy the XRP address. Paste that into Robinhood, and don't forget to double-check for any typos, as that could send your funds into the void. Step 3. Enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check Robinhood's fee structure first to avoid surprises. Once you're happy with the details, hit Confirm and review the transaction summary. Step 4. Robinhood will process your withdrawal, which might take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Phantom Wallet. Once it arrives, you'll see your XRP balance update. A few tips to keep things safe. Always use two-factor authentication, and never share your wallet keys. If you run into issues, Robinhood's support is usually helpful, or check online communities for the latest 2025 updates. There you have it. You're now equipped to withdraw XRP like a boss. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.